Hello. Hello, and we are live, apparently. I think we are. Welcome, everyone. I feel like playing some Outbreak. I don't care what it takes. We're gonna play some Outbreak. And everybody's invited, so if you want to join, let us know. Alright, so, let me bring up the chat real quick. Where's the chat? There it is. And there's Julian in the chat, and there's Cheer in the chat, and Cheer's gonna join me in the game. Hello, Levy, welcome. And Emily! Welcome! Alright, so, let me just invite Cheer to the thing real quick. Bear with me. Alright, I'm dialing everyone actually. Where are 4 people chat? I hope we don't... I think we're gonna bother everyone. It's a 4-way call. Hello?
Hello.
Oh, hello, there you are. You're very faint. I don't know if it's my end or yours. Hold on. I think it's mine though. Hold on.
No.
Hold on. Can you speak again?
Hello.
Oh, I think it's better. Hold on. Can people hear? Can you speak up? Let me see if the lines go up and down.
Okay.
Alright. I think they can hear you.
Hold on. Let me check my voice.
Yeah, I think they can hear. I think it was just my volume that was low.
No.
This is Cheer, everyone. Say hello to Cheer.
Hey, everyone, chat.
Alright, so I'll be back, just heading home. Okay, Emily, take your time. Drive safely. The polar bear. Drive safely. The polar bear. Alright, so let me set up. What we're gonna do, me and Cheer today, is we're gonna play Jay's Bar over and over again, but each time we play it, the difficulty is gonna get harder. What do you think about that?
Sounds great. It's gonna be every man for himself.
I will take care of you. I will hold you if you're in danger.
Oh, no.
No, it's every man for himself.
Yeah, every man for himself.
I don't think
And I'm gonna beat you.
Alright. I don't think you're going to outrun me. I don't think you'll outrun me. I think I'm faster than you. I think I can. Oh, no. I don't think you're gonna leave me behind. I don't think so. Alright, I'm connecting. I'm going online.
We'll see.
Alright, we'll see. It's a competition apparently. Okay. We'll start from easy, going up all the way up to whatever.
Very hard.
Very hard, yeah. Oh man. Let's see. Let us
This is gonna be fun.
This is gonna be fun. Let me just set up because I was online, I was testing the stream. Not the stream, the connection.
Okay.
See if there's any lag or anything like that, but it was running fine. And I tried the hard session. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Giggity. Alright.
Yeah, sometimes hard isn't really hard.
It is hard. Very hard. It's very
No,
hard.
sometimes it's not very hard. Not very hard enough.
We shall see. We shall see.
Yeah, we shall see. Have you ever finished it on hard?
No, did I? I don't know. No, I don't think I have. No. I don't think I have. What we need to do, definitely on hard, is get a guide, like some walkthrough or something that tells us where the items are, because the items are scattered and even hidden. So I like.
Oh no need. No need for that.
All right. Okay, so you know the item locations, perhaps. All right, I'll rely on you.
Yeah. I'll take good care of you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey,
Sarania and V4, welcome. Welcome, ladies.
Welcome to the stream, everyone.
Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the party. I don't know what Cheer has in mind, but he plans on leaving me behind or something. I don't know. He plans on having fun at my expense, which is fine by me. I'm a sport. And I think it's only reasonable that you make fun of me this time, because last time we left you behind. Room. Area.
Okay, so it's gonna be area 1, right?
Yeah. I'm just gonna create a room real fast. I'm gonna call it. Tralala.
No point.
Tralala. Tralala. There we go. Password is gonna be 2222. Limit is 4 players, and it's gonna be on easy for now. We're gonna start off as easy. Outbreak, Kevin, finish. Good. Let's do this. Alright, so the lobby is open. If anybody wants to join, be fast. Making one off Vloggy. I approve. V4. Seriously? Okay. Okay. I approve too, actually. So, if anybody wants to join, let me know in chat so that I will wait for you. Other than that, I'm just gonna start the game right away. Assuming I have cheer with me, of course.
Oh, I'm here.
You're not in though. I only see one. Oh, there you are. There you are. I see you now. Alright, we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna leave the cutscene on, just for the benefit of everyone who's never seen it. I'm sure everybody's seen it, but just because we're playing for the first time. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm not gonna skip the cutscene now. I'm not gonna bother.
Let's see. Oh, what? Somebody just donated. What?
Please take my stuff _
What?
carrot.
Somebody just donated, and I have no idea who it was. What? Who was it? Who was it? Sarania, thank you so much. Thank you so much. But I didn't read the message. I'm very, very sorry. Hold on. I missed the message. And she read it out loud. The bot. But I still didn't see it. Sarania, hold on. Let me see if I can get the message up on screen. Bear with me. I'm very sorry. Hold on. Hold on. How do I view it? I don't know, actually. Oh, there it is. Please take my stuff. Thank you so much for the 10 euros. Sarania, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you. So.
Oh, Levi. I'm gonna give him some fun.
I'm gonna survive.
A lot of fun.
I'm gonna survive this one just for you. Vloggy, are you looking for some fun? I am looking for some fun. Oh, what a weird customer. This is from now on. This zombie is always known as Amy's boyfriend. Amy, look at Amy's boyfriend. Danica! Everyone, Danica Cremona in the chat is my sister. It's my blood sister. Finally, I'm watching you live. It's my sister.
Hey,
welcome, Danica.
Welcome to the stream.
Welcome, Danica. I'm playing online with a friend of mine, and you're gonna see us fail. Well, I mean, this one I think we're gonna be okay. From now on, it's gonna get harder and harder. So we shall see. We shall see.
It's gonna be fun.
Okay, if you're gonna be every man for himself, let me know and I'll take care of myself.
Yeah. Oh, no. We're start that part of when we get hard. Difficult.
All right. So for now, we're looking after each other. Yes.
Yes.
Alright, so if everybody, I am the cop. It's actually for Danica's benefit. I am the police cop, and
I'm the engineer.
and you're actually a plumber, I think. I think you're a plumber. I don't know. He's my second favorite character, actually, David. He's cool.
Well, I can fix stuff. So.
Alright, let's go. I'm already leaving you behind. I don't know if you plan on joining me, but I'm already leaving you behind. Nice try, zombie. Where are you? Where are you, Cheer? You're already behind.
Oh, I'm just connecting some stuff.
My sister says, I used to watch you fail and support you, remember? Playing Resident Evil in the dark and getting frights. Yes, I remember those days. Oh, man. Danica was like the other gamer in the family. I was the only gamer, and Danica was like the second gamer. She used to play with me. Alright, Cheer, I don't know where you are, but you're falling behind, and it's not good for you.
Oh no. Oh no.
It is not good for you, my friend.
Actually, I'm closer than anything.
And there's the cutscene. Oh, shall we skip this cutscene, or do you want to leave it? Because last time we had that... Well, of course, nothing.
No, not favorite. It's very short.
Yeah, it finishes fast. But this is the cutscene that you got stuck on, apparently, or what happened?
Oh, no. I was stuck in the intro cutscene.
Oh, in the intro. Oh, wow. All right.
Yeah, and then this cutscene played also after that.
Oh, okay. That's weird.
So where? Oh, hey, Vloggy. I see you standing.
Where? You see me?
Yes.
Oh, there you are. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do then? I'm gonna barricade the area. Hold on. Let me barricade the area so they don't come in.
Okay, unlock this door, and I'm gonna get a gun.
There we go. I'm gonna barricade the area. This is what I have in mind, like barricading it so they don't come in. Alright. We're doing well. I mean, we're speedrunning this right now, but wait till the items are all hidden. Then it's gonna be a pain. Oh, you're over taking me now.
I'm attacking you?
Like, I think so. I don't know where you are. This door is open. Did you unlock this?
Yeah, I've unlocked it.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get the forklift.
Okay, I'll see you there.
No zombies, please. No zombies. No zombies. I don't even make it to the wine room in hard. I can't even make it to the wine room. Mac Knight, how are you, my friend? Mac Knight, do you want to join us?
Hey, Mac!
Mac Knight, do you want to join us? I mean, not now, obviously, but do you want to join? Come join me. Come by.
Yeah, John Vloggy. He needs your help.
Come join us. It's gonna get harder. This is the easy one, but
Oh, you got the key?
I got the key just now. A zombie's trying to get in. What's this? First aid spray. There's a zombie. Oh! Back off me, you sucker!
Hey, I'm
Oh
coming
man,
for you.
wow, I'm bleeding.
I'm coming.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, wow, he grabbed me again. Ah! Back off! I need ammo. Where's Jack so he can insult my reloading skills?
Hey, where are you?
I'm coming. Just meet me next to the forklift. It's fine. Meet me next to the forklift. I just left the room.
Oh, I just didn't see the wine room. I thought you were there.
Yeah, I think we missed each other. Yeah, meet me at the forklift. I'm gonna switch on the forklift real quick. We need to be fast because zombies are already coming in.
Oh, no problem.
I have
I see you.
I have a bunch of ammo, and I don't think they're good for me, so you can have them if you want. One second, okay.
What?
Climb the ladder, go through, and I'll give you the ammo.
I just need it. I have a knife.
You don't even have a gun?
Nope, I have a knife.
Alright, well, I think the knife is just as good, actually.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna get some really heavy weapons later.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
we-
I need all the space I can get.
Yeah. That's right. We got this. We got this.
Actually, you know, when I play alone, on easy,
Uh-huh.
I don't pick any weapons. Yeah, I never pick any weapons. At all. I just take the keys and run.
Really? Wow. Okay, so you're a pro. Oh,
Yeah, I'm going easy.
I always need weapons. I take this.
Actually, it's an achievement. You can do it with no weapons.
Seriously?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can do it with no weapons or no damage. It's an achievement.
That's cool. That's cool.
You can actually see them when you put in the scoreboard.
Really? I never bothered, really. All I care about is the points, the actual point system.
Yeah, I think you get more points if you done that.
I probably
challenge.
But what I got is infinite ammo with all the points that I managed right now. Going. Thank you. I'm in. Whew. With David, I think you can create like an electric rod that you can stun zombies with. I don't know if you knew that. You can create stuff.
Yeah, you can create stuff. Where are you?
I'm in the storage room. Can I use this?
Oh, storage room. I think there's some ammo for there's a hand magazine.
What's this? This is handgun rounds, handgun magazine. I picked up a handgun magazine, but it's useless. There you are. I'm gonna give you some ammo if you want. Do you want the ammo?
No, I don't need it. I mean, what can I use this for? I cannot load the knife with some ammo.
Let's get out of here. We need to destroy that fence.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Okay, I'm coming with you.
Now I'm gonna take care of the zombies.
Alright, you take care of the zombie and whatever, and I'll push the... Oh, come on, don't do the auto-aim thing.
What?
It's auto-aims, back to the zombie. Alright, it's open, let's go. Jay's bar. Let's go,
I'm
look.
the master knife.
The crows are chasing me.
Attention everyone. Due to the riots in progress, this area will be closed off soon.
This game looks good for a
Please
PS2
reach the
game, eh?
checkpoint
What do you think?
immediately. If you
Yeah.
do not leave the area in time,
Well, here's what I'm gonna
I cannot
do.
guarantee your safety.
We're gonna stick together now.
Yeah, we stick together, of course. Yes.
When we play on normal, it's gonna be every man for himself.
Okay, if you wish.
And then, yeah, when we go to hard, we'll stick together again.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
because I know hard mode better than you.
I think you do, and that scares me. That scares me. That's gonna be the ultimate competition, you and me.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Uh-oh. Help! 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 Come on! Get up there! Get up there!
Come on, jump.
I need to climb
Come
up. Alright, so if we're working together, I guess I can help you up. I can help you up. Oh, come on!
Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.
Help!
Thanks.
Let's go. What? What? Somebody just donated again? Who was it?
Quite
Who was it?
entertaining.
Somebody just said something. My sister just donated 30 euros. Thank you so much. You're so awesome. My sister. Thank you so much. She donated 30 euros. Thank you so much. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Oh, I'm gonna take this. Rather bitch. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna take this. Oh, you took off! I thought we were working together. You tricked me. You tricked me.
No, I'm just gonna go clear the path for you.
Call the elevator. No, we're fine. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be. Danica said something in her. Quite entertaining. Thank you. Quite entertaining. All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Run, Rocket, run!
I saw you getting bit or something. All right, do you know how, you want to help me push the cars so we barricade the zombies?
Oh yes.
All right, let's do this.
I don't think we have to, right? We can just wait.
But the thing is, we have to wait until some time passes. Like we have to wait for around 2 minutes. But if we barricade with the cars, it slows down the rate of zombies. If we don't barricade, they're gonna come faster at us.
The whole city's
So it
in
makes
war
sense.
zone.
Oh yeah.
So let's
We need all the
barricade
help
the
we
one
can
at the
get.
far end first.
That's
The one at the
Now,
far end. And
move the
then,
police car over there to build a barricade.
Yeah. Okay.
Go!
Yeah.
Because if we push the cars together, it's faster. So,
Yeah, it sucks when you play alone, because nobody helps you.
all right, let's
You
go.
have to push it on your own.
Yeah, exactly. It's true.
Think about it.
It's true. All right, come on, let's push. Push. They're gonna come through already, yeah? I think they're gonna come through already. Come on. Oh, you see how fast it moves? Okay, one zombie made it through. 2 zombies made it through. 3 zombies made it through. No, why not? Come on, push. Oh, he's coming for you.
Oh no.
Okay, I closed one. I closed one off. All right, let's go close the other one. Let's go close the other one. Go. Oh, help me, please! Please help me! There we go. I got 3 of them with 1 shot. Let's go.
Yeah, actually, you know, when we're pushing the cars, they cannot hurt us.
Oh, zombie. Let's go. I'm pushing.
Yeah.
The other cop is shooting them with his shotgun. So I think
Yeah, I think we're gonna be fine.
we're gonna be fine. Yeah, we're gonna be fine. There you go. The cop is being useful with the shotgun. I forgot to pick up the ammo from the police car over there. You see, now that we close them right away, we get the cutscene right away. Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh god, they're getting closer. We gotta go
I
now.
think this is the hardest part, more or less, because we got nothing to do except wait.
Well, we can kick some zombies.
Let's go. Oh, there's an herbage. Do you have healing? You should take it.
Oh yeah. I do have it, bro.
Go now.
Yeah, bro. You should take it. Alright, I'm not gonna help the cop. Let's just distract the zombies. Oh,
Yeah, that's them.
oh.
There's some ammo for you.
Zombies are coming! Ah, they're going straight for the, oh.
Oh, there's some ammo for you, I think.
Really? Oh, I'm hurt.
I think it's 45.
Why am I... We're good. Where's the ammo? Oh, I see something.
Yeah, I'm gonna take care of those zombies.
Come on, come on! I don't have ammo, I think. Oh, come on, seriously, I'm bleeding again? I'm bleeding the third time in a row. Sorry. There's nothing we can do except wait. Oh, man!
Yeah, I'm gonna mod those zombies. Yeah, I'm gonna mod those zombies.
Alright, there's
My
something.
ranchers.
Oh, why? Why? What
Yes.
is it? That PSX2 lag. Is it lagging? Is it lagging? It's not lagging in mine. Is it lagging on stream?
Shit!
I don't think it's lagging.
Hey, listen, you should go now.
Mac Knight. Can you still blow up zombies' heads in this game? I think you used to be with the Mac Knight.
fuel tank.
Yes.
Leak
Yes,
the
that
gas
one. I don't know.
and use it to
I
burn
don't
these
know if it's,
bastards. Do it
I
now!
don't know if you find the Mac winning this game. Do you find the Mac winning this game?
Yeah, sometimes I find it in the truck.
I think I remember seeing it in Outbreak File 2 in the police station. I remember it there. Oh man,
Yeah.
I love Outbreak File 2. I can't wait till all of us play it, like 4 of us in the police station. It's my dream
yeah.
come true to have 4 people scattered around the police station looking for stuff. Yeah, when you are in items menu, the game slows down a little, really. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What's the bleeding? We need to do the thing. There's a valve handle thing. Can you do that? Since you're closer.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm good.
going for the...
I'm gonna do this real quick. Quick, quick. Come
Yeah,
on,
the
seriously, zombies! Alright, hold on.
Do you have the lighter?
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab the lighter real quick. Hold on. Because I'm starting to panic! Oh, look at that. Lighter.
Yeah, the zombies...
Gonna take the shotgun
Wait,
as
this-
well.
Yeah. I'm
Okay,
gonna
no,
do this.
no, pantalones. No. I need to open the valve handle, but I was surrounded. Hold on. Oh, come on, zombies! Back off! Come on, seriously, we're bleeding again? How are we gonna bleed? Alright, we did this part.
Yeah, it's kind of scary with the zombies.
Yeah.
Kind of like a... Yeah, I don't know why.
Save the pantalones. Save the pantalones. Tra-la-la. Alright, okay. Hurry up. Oh, please. Don't hate me. Oh my goodness, I'm on the floor. I'm on the floor. This is not good. This is not gonna end well. If I can say so myself. Please. Oh, come on, the menu. Where's the menu? Okay, I need help. This is not going well. Oh my goodness, not going well. Oh, come on, seriously! Alright, I'm dead. I can't... I cannot use it. Can you... Oh, we're dead. We are so dead.
Oh, no. I'm coming.
Okay, I just need to use the lighter real quick. I think there's enough time. Alright, wow! We did it. Oh my goodness. What, Sakura? I just want to suck your neck. Sakura. How are you,
Hey,
Sakura?
Sakura!
Sakura's in the house. Do you want to join? Sakura, come on. Come join us. Come join us. Mac Knight's going to join us later.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick Vloggy's ass later.
I think we're gonna... We barely made this round, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Good thing this part there's not gonna be any zombies in this part.
Yeah, I know, right? Why can't I jump? Please jump. Please jump.
Yeah, I'm trying to jump like
We're safe. There we go. We're safe. I have heavy housework to do, and I'm just lurking. Okay, Sakura.
Hey!
You choose housework.
Sakura!
You choose housework over us. That's fine.
Oh, it's the first time I see this part.
Seriously, the blowing up of the. Okay.
Yeah, no, the flames from the water.
Okay. Oh,
I
okay.
think because I always skipped this cutscene.
You and your cutscenes. Let's go. Man.
No,
badly hurt, huh? Both of us.
Yeah, I think there's. Yeah, there's.
I'm
some
on danger. I'm on danger.
Yeah, I'm in danger too.
Are you? Are you or?
What?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I'm in danger. And I got a knife. I like my knife.
Let's run. I'm gonna die. How am I? I'm 42% virus, huh? It's amazing.
I'm 17.
How much?
17.
17? That's okay, I guess. I'm bad.
Hey, yes. Find the herb. Where are you?
I'm just getting a herb. Hold on. Combine.
Yeah, I'm by the ladder. I have an herb. You should take it.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
I'm gonna give it to you.
I'm back to fine now. I'm back to fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm on caution.
Yeah, you can use it. You can use it. Good.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm on caution now.
So, yeah, you're on red caution. You should use it. Yes.
Yeah, I've already used it. I was in danger.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
We got this. We got this. Yesterday I was cleaning my bedroom. Too many dust. Really, Mac? That's not good.
That's never good.
Alright, so if I find more herbage, you can have it. I mean, I'm good for now.
Oh, no need. There's gonna be some first aid.
Yes, yes. Alright, so I skipped the blue herbage. We don't need the blue one. Alright, whenever you want, we can leave.
Yeah, I'm just running for you.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, but we're gonna need a lot of blue orbit on hard.
Yeah.
This is the Raccoon City Police Department. Please try to stay calm. Vehicles are standing by to commence evacuation.
Hey,
Hey,
Ken!
Jason.
Everyone here
Watching
as
you
quickly
live
as
for the
possible.
first time. Quite entertaining. How are you, Jason? Nice to see you. I have an audience.
Welcome back,
today. Julian, welcome back!
That's
That's
it
it?
then?
It's just you two? There's
Get
no
in, please.
Sakura, there's no McKnight. Alright, let's go.
So when we play normal, it's gonna be every man for
Too
himself.
dangerous.
Okay,
Right.
did you hear that, McKnight? Did you hear that, McKnight? It's every man for himself,
Another
apparently.
barricade.
Okay? So you're on your
Yes,
own,
you can
I'm on
see,
my own, Cheers on his own.
there are too many
and we're
roadblocks.
Oh,
gonna...
no,
I'm afraid you'll
no.
have to get out
That's just
and
between
continue
you and
on
me
foot.
and normal.
I was just gonna... Wait a minute. So... Wait, I don't understand. So... What about McKnight?
Oh, they can play. They, oh, if Sakur's gonna join, McKnight and Sakura gonna join, they can be together.
Let's go.
Oh,
Alright.
this is,
Oh, this
that's
is
the
the
point.
Magnum. There's the Magnum.
Is it?
There it is, Danica. This one's for you. Magnum revolver. I'm gonna equip it.
Oh, wait. This is actually. This is for you.
Hey, the game is lagging. I just realized. My game is lagging. I'm not gonna take them. No. I'm not gonna take them. I don't need them. Sorry. Thank you. The game is lagging. I noticed. It's lagging. You are right, McKnight. It's weird. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good. I'm ready to go. Yeah, it's lagging. That's so weird. Maybe I'll try restarting the emulator. I'll try restarting the emulator, perhaps.
Yeah, maybe after this game.
Yeah, I'll restart the emulator after this run. See if the problem persists. I think there's another Magnum here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there it is. There's another Magnum here if you want.
Where?
Follow me. I mean, come this way. This way.
Wait, where are you?
Go up the stairs. Come on, we're going. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Let's go. This way, in the window. Ah, you know how to dance. That's good. That's good. Mr. doesn't. He's been playing it for a year. And here, in the window. You see? Yeah, it's lagging. I'm not enjoying this. It's like or buy a new graphics card. This is a brand new Mac. This is a brand new Mac laptop, a gaming laptop. It's brand new. It's only a year old. That shouldn't happen.
It's a little bit laggy on my PC too.
Oh.
And I can play like RE7 on high difficulty on my PC.
Native RES X2. You need to use native X1. I've never changed any settings ever since I got this game, so it should be working fine. It's never done this before. Maybe because it's the online that's messing up. I don't know.
Oh, could be. Yeah, my connection is kind of potato these
Eric, what's
days.
taking so long? Hurry up! I'm trying! I'm almost done! Hurry! Hurry! This way! Okay, it's done!
So circle up.
Eric!
Are you gonna join? Hey, Toby!
Toby! People with the emulator, I'll do that back then, yeah.
What should I do?
Because the cutscenes don't get frozen, like, it doesn't lag with the cutscenes, it's just the gameplay, so I'm assuming, maybe, I don't know. I'm no pro.
Yeah.
Alright, so you wanna do the bomb, or shall I do the bomb?
Yeah, I think, I don't know. What do you got?
I'm downstairs already.
Yeah.
Toby comes in. Hello, Lil. Hi, Toby, I followed you back here, Bork.
Yeah, I'm gonna bork you.
Alright, so...
Yeah. So,
so many zombies!
okay, here's what you're gonna do. I'm gonna take care of the zombies, you take care of the bomb.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, dokie. Help me, please. Please help me. Okay, good. Hold on, we're doing this. Grabbing the first item. Chocolate shells. Rip chocolate shells. And then, where's the other item? I see it. There it is. Come on, pick it up. Pick it up. Ah! I want to use my knife. Why? Alright, good to go. Just gonna do the thing. Bear with me, I'm gonna do the thing real quick. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. GG.
GG.
No, you guys just started this game, or is it the end of it? No, this is the first scenario, then. This is the first scenario of the game. Like, the outbreak just happened. That's why the streets are full of zombies. This is how they dealt with it. Like, the very moment the outbreak started. That's why it's called the outbreak. And there's many scenarios. And you get to revisit certain areas from Resident Evil 2, Resident Evil 3. Obviously, like, reimagined and with better graphics for the PS2. But we're gonna be playing this scenario over and over. This is today's stream. We're gonna be playing this scenario over and over, but each time we're going to be increasing the difficulty, so it's going to get harder every single time. This was on easy actually. We're gonna go on normal next. I guess I'm predictable. Hey, Doug! Spring cleaning zombies.
Hey, Doug.
Yeah, spring cleaning zombies.
Welcome to the street.
I'm gonna restart the emulator because
Everything started to go wrong from then.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start it too.
Maybe we just didn't realize things had
But after
been
I show you
wrong
something.
for a long time.
you're gonna show me something.
Dead people
Yeah.
wander
Okay.
the city in search of the living. Huh. When that becomes normal, I know that it's time to just
Look
give
at him
up.
annoying the driver. In my cutscene, it's Kevin annoying the driver.
Yesterday, just before dawn,
Ow.
the Pentagon
love
announced
this
that
cutscene.
radioactive waste has been leaked throughout Raccoon City. In accordance with
Yeah.
U.S. safety
My chair is
regulations,
just sitting
the
there
city
like
has been
talking
placed
to
under
himself.
quarantine, and the army has been sent in to investigate and control
Is
the
the
situation.
cutscene lagging? It's not, hey. It's playing normal.
What?
The cutscene's playing normal. There's no lag in the cutscene.
Yeah, there's no problem with the cutscene. It's just the gameplay.
Interesting. I go on my own.
Okay, McKnight.
Alright, okay, McKnight. Oh, is the pants system still working, by the way? Let me see. Pants. I haven't checked pants system today. Oh, look at all the points we got. 4680. You watched the stream for 2 hours and you gathered 278 pants points. Alright, so exit save.
Oh, they didn't show it in here, I think.
Cheer, you watched the stream for 7 hours and you get 152 points. Oh, look at you. What happens when you gamble your points away, you see?
Oh, no. I didn't gamble them.
Look at me. You watched the stream for 7 hours, you got 152. I watched 2 hours and I got 278.
Well, I gave them to you, remember?
Exactly. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. I thought you gambled them away. I forgot. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
All right, let me see. Let me see if I
have more.
Let me see if I can double my pants. Hold on. Bet. How many pants am I gonna bet? 100. Bet 100. Am I gonna lose? Am I gonna lose? You lost. No. Oh, I lost 100 pants. Alright, so I'm going to restart the emulator. Let me restart the emulator because I'm not very happy with the way it's performing. So
yeah, I'm gonna restart it too.
We'll see if it does the same thing.
Oh, there it is.
Boom, it's closed. Completely closed. Closed completely. Completely done. Alright, let's try reopening it once again real quick.
So do you put it on fast or full?
Fast, I open fast, so it should be running better, you know. It should,
Oh, yeah.
it should,
Yeah.
but I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't know. Properties, okays. There we go.
I did it.
I reloaded it again. We see what happens now. Lelbork. Lelbork.
Yes.
Bet, cheer, you want 200
Yes!
pants points? You deserve them. You deserve them. McKnight, are you joining in? Are you joining? I'm gonna set it up.
Biohazard.
Outbreak. Okay. So, load the net file. Yes.
Next.
I'm gonna create a room. McKnight is joining us. Awesome. If anybody else wants to join us, it's an open room. It's an open room. So, previous connection. Next. So, how hard would you say it is to set this up to work online? Do you think it's very hard? It's not that hard. It was easy. What do you think?
What?
To set this game up, to play it online. Do you think it was hard to do it, or was it easy, or not so hard? What do you think?
To be honest, I don't know. I never. But it was hard for me.
It was hard for me as well. It was quite the chore.
Yeah, it took me like 6 months. Yeah.
I sat
I've
down.
been, like-
I sat down. I was like, I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna set this up. It took me 4 hours straight.
Yeah, I've been like, I think I've like sent 200 messages to through, asking, okay, what should I do now? How do I do this? How do I do that?
Look at that. It says Yoko and very hard is a dangerous combination. Be careful. Interesting. That is very interesting. Yoko and very hard is a dangerous combination.
Interesting.
It took McKnight 1 hour. I think McKnight's some sort of a PC genius, huh? McKnight is
Yeah.
some sort of too many steps for the net configuration. Exactly. Because, I mean, 1 hour is fast. It took me around 4 hours between downloading the files and putting them in the right place and following the instructions. No, it took me 4
No.
hours.
For me, following the instructions, the first part is easy. It took me like 30 minutes. The
Yeah.
hardest part was the end game,
And then when
the configuration.
the configuration in game, yeah, when you had to set up
Yeah.
the numbers and the numbers went invisible and you just have to count.
Oh yeah,
That is hilarious.
yeah. That's what like took me 6 months.
My goodness. But it's worth it. It's worth it. Alright, so I'm gonna create a room real quick. If anybody wants to join.
Okay, I'm in.
Alright, so getting information, please wait.
Yeah,
So,
this is gonna be for enemy.
room title, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it No Pantalones. No. How do you space? I forgot. I forgot how to space.
I don't know how to space.
Me neither.
I never use space.
I
Just
found the space. I
stuff.
found it. No.
Pantaloni.
Actually, no pants because it's too long. No pants. The password's gonna be HHHH.
Okay.
1 minute. So it's gonna be on normal. Friendly fire is off. We're gonna be playing the same scenario again, but this time on normal.
And every man for himself.
As you wish, cheer. As you wish. It's every man for himself. That's fine by me. Fine by me. All right. So the room is open, everyone. I will take Yoko for more resources. Okay, Mac Knight. Whatever makes you happy. Whatever makes you. But apparently, like I said, it's every man for himself, Mac Knight. Okay, so I don't want you helping me because Cheer would be like, "That's why you did better than me because Mac Knight was helping you."
hey, I didn't mind.
Lel Bork. Sakura, come
I
join.
didn't-
Come join me, Sakura. Come join me, Sakura. I will find the pipe in the game and hand it over to you. I know where the pipe is in this game, actually. It's under the bed. Alright, so the room is open. I don't know if
Wait,
you
you
guys
said HHHH, right? The password.
HHHH, that's right.
4 times?
Yeah, 4. You can only do it 4 times, I think.
Yeah. Told me the password is wrong.
Seriously?
Yes?
H for horse, yeah? Oh, come on. Seriously?
Hold on.
Password is HHHH. I'm gonna need to do this again. HHHH. Uppercase, obviously.
Uppercase?
Yes. You went for the lowercase?
Yeah, lowercase.
No. It's quadruple H. H. Magnet is making fun of the way I said H. H. Alright, it's H for ha 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 ha. Alright, I'm in the room by myself. Come on, everyone.
I'm coming.
I'm alone in the room. I'm gonna take my pants off. Oh, there's 2 people in now. There's 2 people in. Mac Knight, are you in? Come on, Mac Knight. We leave without you. I forgot to share the stream. I forgot to share the stream on Twitter. I am so stupid. I'm sharing it now. Until HHHH comes in.
Wait,
Yeah.
how do you do space?
One of the Japanese words at the bottom. There's like, one of them makes them lowercase, one of them makes them. Okay, it's 3 of us. That's 3 of us. There we go. Here we go. Starting the game in 3, 2, 1.
Sub to.
Sub to. Sub to.
Yeah.
Sub to cheer, everyone.
Oh no! I was gonna say something, but
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Sub to cheer. What's your username? L4I. What's that? No, that's not
What's
your
my-
username. No, that's your cheer. The other one's night. All right.
yeah, I think that's my ID number.
I think some sort of ID. Yes.
For something.
Yeah. We're gonna skip the cutscene now. We're gonna skip the cutscene. There's no point in playing the cutscene now. So everybody can press start. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's
Let's
do
go.
this. Let's go. It's me, Mario. Woohoo! Mario number 1. Woohoo! I wonder if oh, it's faster now. The game is definitely faster. It's running
yeah.
smoother. Wait, is it? No, it lagged a bit again. I don't know. Let's see. Alright. Alright. Okay, the room is locked already. So I love that you can knock down doors though in this game.
I didn't see anyone.
Wait a second. Okay, I see Oko. Yes, I see Oko. You must be in another room because I don't see you.
Welcome back, Emily.
I opened the door. I opened the door, kicking it. I opened the door, kicking it. Hello, Emily. Welcome back. And Kenochrist.
Hey,
welcome.
Keno.
Welcome, Kenochrist. Welcome.
Oh, there's my knight.
Yeah. There he is. All right. It's every man for himself. I guess it's every man for himself then. Okay. What's that?
Oh, sorry. I got a text.
Wow.
Yeah, sorry. I got a...
That is awesome. That is awesome. And annoying.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I just got a text from my mom.
Toby's like, lil. I'm starting to think that Toby's a bot. What he says is lil and Borg.
Maybe.
Yeah, it is lagging again. I don't know what's going on.
Over there!
Oh, I'm not sure if I locked the zombie out. You
Does it
see?
matter?
You see how thoughtful I am? I made sure that you guys are made it through before I locked the door. You see how thoughtful I am?
Wait, did McKnight make it?
Yeah, he did. There's my knight. Alright, we have to open this door now. Oh, what? What? Ah, you got the key. You got the key, right?
Yeah, I got the key.
Alright, GG. Alright. You had me there. You had me. I'm a dog Bork or a human. I don't even know Bork. Alright, so.
No, you Curtis Borg. Have you heard of Curtis Borg? Vlogging?
No. There's a zombie here! There's a zombie! Ooh, that dodge! That dodge is fantastic! I'm gonna stay up here and be safe. Hold on, no, actually.
Yeah, you should listen to it. It's very cute. So how is everyone doing in chat?
I thought you were going to ask me how I'm doing in the game.
Oh, hey, I don't care about you now, right now.
Alright, fine. Just gonna chill up here and relax. Where's McKnight? Okay, you found this key as well. You know where stuff is. Maybe you have a walkthrough open or something, but...
Nope.
Alright, you're doing stuff.
Yeah.
You're doing
Yeah,
stuff, GG.
You know, I'm just lucky. Yeah, I'm just playing by luck.
Alright, I guess. No, it's lagging again. The game is lagging once again. I don't know why.
Yeah, I think it has to do with our connection, maybe.
I don't think it's... I don't know. But when I open the menu, it goes... You know how the prompt that opens the sound it makes when you open the menu? You know, it goes...
Yeah.
This, it goes... It
I don't know.
doesn't do it all the time.
I don't know, it works fine for me.
It doesn't do it all the time.
No, it doesn't do that for me. It's like, it's normal.
You got the key, right? I think most of the stuff... I think most of the key items are in the same place as ZZ, I think.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
the
know.
same. Yeah,
Alright.
it's the same.
Alright.
So normal and very hard. Very chain. It's kind of like Madhouse.
Okay. Where's my knight?
Oh, he's collecting stuff.
I think my knight is gone. Oh, come on, zombie. Oh, come on! I kicked the crow. So cool.
Here, let me help you.
Good thing my knife showed up on time. This is the police station. This club is closed forever.
Attention everyone. Due to the riots in progress, this area will be closed off soon. Please proceed to this checkpoint
Do you know instead of
immediately.
zombies, I don't know if
If
it's
you do
in
not
hard
leave the
or
area
very
in
hard,
time,
but
we
instead of
cannot
zombies you get like
guarantee
some
your
sort of
safety.
crimson creatures. Did you know that?
Maybe.
You'll see them. Not now. I don't think they'll show up now.
No, I don't think there's. It's not no zombies in here. No, there's no crimson stuff. There's a surprise. Later.
No. Oh no. Help me, please! I don't know why it's doing this lag thing. I don't know why. I have to perform a few more tests. Come on, if there's only 1 year old, it shouldn't do that. It's supposed to do that. Let's see. I don't know if it's a computer or the emulator. I don't know. I'm just running ahead, huh? I think I'm way ahead of you guys.
Yeah, I'm just. Well, we can survive it about normal and easy. Not sure about them very hard.
Where are you guys? You and that Frank, where are you?
No, of course.
You startled me. I'm surprised you're still alive. The whole city's a war zone.
If you want to skip the cutscene.
We need all the help we can get. Now, move
can
the
skip the
police
cutscene
car
if
over
you
there
want.
to...
Oh,
There we go.
yeah, I think after a certain point in the cutscene, you can anyway.
I don't know. You guys are way behind. You guys are way behind. I didn't see you.
No, I'm close. Then you think. I'm just sitting. I'm actually sitting next to you.
Well, I don't. Oh, there you are. I see you now. I see you now. Forget this is on hard mode. Not the hard one. Normal.
No.
They're coming. The zombies are coming. Where's McKnight? Where's McKnight?
I don't know.
McKnight, are you dead?
Wait. You pushed both the cars, right?
What?
I said you pushed both cars. You said,
Yeah. No, I didn't push. No, I did push both the cars. Just one I did. There was no time. There was no time. Where is? Where's McKnight? Did you die, McKnight? Lag.
No, do it.
Okay, McKnight's experiencing lag. What kind
Yeah,
of lag? Like
Yeah.
the
Actually,
same as mine, McKnight? Do you experience the same lag as mine? Like it goes like it,
yeah, they're actually jumping all over the place.
me? Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow, that's not good. So it must be lag then. You see me teleporting from one side to the other, like.
Yeah. Yeah, I just saw you teleport. I see the zombies teleport a lot. So, how long do we have to wait?
I don't know. I think a good way to test the game, actually, is to test it offline to see if I get the same, like, if I get the same lag. See if it's the performance of the PC or the performance of the server.
I don't know.
A poster.
Come on now.
There's no time to admire it. Yeah, we have all the time in the world. No, there's no point. There's no point in the machine door.
I know.
Wow, that lag killed me. Wow,
Come on, zombie.
I'm on red caution. Wow. Oh, it says Yoko is dead, but it doesn't show. Is Yoko dead here? Right here. Because
I know, okay.
according to the option screen says that Yoko is dead here. The door is still open. No, it's not. I don't see Yoko.
Maybe she's inside. Okay, we can go inside.
No, let's not go inside now.
No, we can go back.
Oh, there we go. Finally.
Finally.
All right. Whew.
Oh god, they're getting closer.
Oh, you
We
lost
gotta
all the
go,
herbs.
now!
So it's the server. Do you think it's lagging because of the server?
Maybe. I mean, it shows that route was busy. Maybe we should try area 2.
Let's go. Alright, I think I'm gonna start doing laps here so that the zombies will never catch me.
Yeah.
Ah! Ah!
Jesus.
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh! Oh, come on! Oh wow, I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding! Keep bleeding! Alright, now I'm just gonna keep doing laps. And avoid the zombies. Oh, you don't look so good, man. You don't look so good. I think you're regretting. The everyman for himself. You're regretting it. I think you're regretting it. Go after cheer. Zombies, go after cheer.
Oh, no. I was thirsty.
Go get cheer. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, you don't look so good, man. You don't look so good. Look at me sprinting because I'm fine. Look at me. Na 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 na. You're on danger. Yeah, I think we're done. I think you're done. I think you're GG, if you ask me.
Oh, that's later. I'm still alive.
You're still alive for long, though. You're in danger. You're in
No.
danger.
I'll manage. Hey, we weren't dead earlier when we were playing crazy. Ooh, I see Chinese.
Hello, you're on the floor. You need a hand. By any chance, you need me? Huh? Oh,
No.
I will help you up. I will help you up. But you have to admit that I am better than you. I will help you, but you have to admit that you lost this round. The every man for himself round. You wanna do that?
Well, hey, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna admit that you're better, but hey, there is a good reason. We're both experiencing lag.
Yeah, it's true.
So,
It's true. Ah! Uh-oh, I'm not
hard to tell it.
Okay, I'm gonna lay down on the floor as well, just in case. Oh no! No zombies, please! Uh oh, this is not good.
Yeah. You know what? I think we should try a different area.
You wanna try
Maybe that's
something? You wanna try something else?
Yeah, I want to try a different area. I mean, we're only first playing on area 1, right?
This is the
Yeah.
yeah. You wanna go in the labs, in the umbrella labs?
No. I'm not talking about the scenario.
Oh.
I'm
Oh,
talking about the room.
another area on the server, you mean, like
Yeah.
for the rooms? Okay, I'm sure we can do that.
Yeah, because it says that this area is always busy.
It was empty actually, so. Okay, I quit.
You got to the...
I quit the round because it's useless. We didn't do that. All right, I'll try another room. Maybe, I don't know.
Okay.
That doesn't
Yeah,
go
when
well.
I go to the, to the areas, it shows that area 1 says busy on the right corner.
But I mean, I don't know. We'll try a different. I don't think it makes any difference, but we can try it. Sure.
So we should go normal again, or?
Yeah, sure. Let's go on normal again. You want to try again?
Yeah, again. Let's try again.
You want to try again, Mac Knight? Come again. Come on, let's try again, Mac Knight. We'll see. I'm gonna try a different room or something. So exits. Room list. Okay, I'm gonna go area 10. Okay, area 10
Area 10.
and room 1 in area 10.
So it's area 10, huh?
Alright, this is the easiest password to guess. It's gonna be AAA. The room is called AAA, and the password is AAAA. A. Alright, finish. The room has been set up. Let's try again, and let's not become Borgsies. Zomborgs.
So A uppercase, right?
Yes, everything uppercase, always. Okay, McKnight, no problem. Take your time. So, that's you joined in, yes? You just joined.
Yes, I just joined.
All right, I'm gonna wait for McKnight to reboot the game.
Okay.
So in the meantime, I shall sing everyone a song. No, I won't. No, I won't. I'm sorry, I won't. I don't know if I should go out or not tonight. I feel like going out and I feel like not going out at the same time. Should I stay or should I go? Yes, I won! 162 pant points are mine! Parachutes into stream. Hey Vloggy, cheer and everyone, parachutes. I like that. Parachutes into stream. Let me see if there's a Is there a parachute emoji? There isn't. There's no parachute emoji. We need a parachute emoji. I like that. Welcome, Gideon.
Done.
Mac Knight, stop fooling around in chat. Come on, come in game. I'm kidding, take your time, buddy. Sup to Mr. No Pantalon. I'm not wearing any pants actually right now, as we speak. Pants are off. Vlog, you go out. You seem like a party guy. Really? I seem like an indoor guy that doesn't like to go out. Okay,
Yeah.
Mac Knight is now logging in.
gonna be like, eh!
Nightbot, wake up! I mean, I know he's up, but I just like to wake him up.
Wake up!
Another pipe! Get down! I want to get an awesome SMS tone like you did.
Oh no, you should say it like this.
I think McKnight has a very slow computer. You have a slow computer, McKnight. I think that's the problem. What's that? No. Another pant! Another pant! I feel like a drink. I feel like a drink. Should I make myself a drink?
Oh yeah, you should. You should.
I'm gonna take too many time this. I'm gonna go make a drink. And until McKnight joins. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the headset down.
Yeah, I'm gonna go make some coffee.
Coffee time!
Oh yeah.
McKnight, it's Area 10. McKnight, Area 10, Room 1, and the room is called Ah! And the password is Ah! Alright, I'm gonna make the drink. You should be in by the time I be back. I'm back, and McKnight is still not in the room. Why is that? Okay, I'm in. The problem is that I have a delay because I listened to you. Yeah, if you... do you want to join voice chat? McKnight, if you want to join voice chat, you can join voice chat, it's no problem. But the delay is only like 10 seconds, I think, on the stream. I think it's something like that, hopefully. Let me just make sure that the stream is still running fine. Yeah, according to this, it's running fine, so... latency should only be like 10 seconds, I think. It's up to you. If you want to join the voice chat, you can join the voice chat, McKnight, it's no problem. But McKnight, I still don't see you. Send Discord. No, I'm gonna send you an invite to the conversation we're in right now. Not sure how it's done. Hold on. McKnight.
I think.
What's his name on? I cannot find him.
Okay, I'm back.
McKnight, I still don't see you in the game. I still don't see you in the room. I cannot find McKnight. What's going on with this thing? What is going on in this thing? Alright, hold on. I'm going to send... Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm gonna send Discord again. Hold on. Hold on. Let me send Discord again. Okay, you have 3 minutes to join McKnight. Where are you? Don't sleep, man. Invite peoples. I'm going to post Discord link that expires in 1 day, apparently. Copy. Alright.
Hey.
There's the Discord. If anybody wants to join, you're all welcome. Welcome.
Let me see my pants. Nice.
You can't join. Why? What does it say? Why you can't join? What does it say? That's strange. Very strange. Uh-oh. Boo, cheer, you lost. You see what happens when you gamble? You shouldn't gamble. You shouldn't gamble, man. Alright, let's try.
Actually, you know, I'm happy that I lost.
You're happy that you lost?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I feel like it's fun to lose more than to win.
It's weird that you can't join. I don't know. I'm gonna start the game because it's gonna start anyway in 2 minutes. What does it say, McKnight, when you try to join? What does it say? That's strange.
Oh, I think
Change the
it's
password.
using the-
No, the password is AAAA, uppercases, like 3 A's.
Oh,
You should have been able to join. What? Oh man, I started now. I started the session. You want me to try? I'll try. Should I create another? Should I create another room? Should I exit this? Because I press start now.
let's check for the lag.
Let's
for
check
now.
for lag. Yeah, let's test the.
Yeah.
Let's skip the cutscene.
Okay.
Well, I use another password. I use the simplest password on the planet. A.
Hey.
Everybody in the club. Alright, let's see. Doesn't look like it's lagging for now, I don't know, but
No, you can tell from later.
but it's too soon to tell.
Yeah, once the zombies get in. That's where the
Okay, let's hang out in this area first. Blood is coming out of his throat. It looks really bad.
Okay, I think where the key is, and
I don't know where the key is for this one.
yeah, I mean I never played them. No.
Is Sassy here? Somebody's saying Sassy. Oh, there she
Hey,
is!
Sassy.
Sassy! Welcome, Sassy. Welcome.
Well, I mean I know like everything about art, but not easy or normal.
I cannot push this. I don't know why. It's like, I cannot push this.
It's not pushable.
It's not pushable. So why does he do the animation like he tries to? I don't know. I don't get
I
it.
don't know. Makes no sense.
Alright, zombies are coming in 3, 2, skip.
In the bathroom.
Okay, you can still skip the cutscene though, yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you can skip this.
Let's see. Tell me if you see Vloggy teleporting from one side to the other, or I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna test the menu as well. I'm gonna look around.
Well, I'm picking a PV right now.
It seems to be very smooth. Hello, zombies. It seems to be smooth. The game seems to be running smoothly so far. Slot machines. No time to walk around. There's ice cold beer on tap. Yes, there's ice cold beer, and you're worrying about surviving, dude. Staff room. We need the staff room key.
I think I know what it is. The mystery door.
Seems to be running fine. I should probably equip my. No. I should probably equip my gun. Oh, I see you running around. You still haven't found the key? That is not good.
David!
Oh,
David!
that's what it is.
David!
Seems to be running fine, maybe.
It's working normal right now for me.
Yeah, you'll keep progressing, see if the game makes any difference, see if it makes any changes. Whoa, zombie! Oh.
Go now!
Seems to be running fine now. You didn't find the key? That's weird. I didn't find the key! Very, are you wearing pants? That is a very, very, what's the word? Rhetorical question. Because no pants are worn on this stream. Never,
Yeah.
Gideon, never.
Yeah, this is a no pants stream.
Whenever I see the saxophone emoji in chat, I always go in my head. This plays in my head whenever I see the saxophone emoji. It goes in my head. You know which song I'm singing, yeah? The epic sax.
Yeah, I've heard it. Okay, open the door.
That is the...
Yeah, the door is open.
Yeah, I opened it. I opened it, my friend. I
Really?
opened it, yes. We're still playing every man for himself?
Yes, of course. And we did say that we're gonna play some normal.
Okay. Yeah, McKnight knows. Yes, the game looks much smoother. Did you change the rest? No, McKnight, we changed the servers. I didn't even restart it from before. I don't know what's the difference, honestly. I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Well, that's it. It's simple. Most people go to the area 1 when they play.
But the servers were empty, so it's not like... You said every man for himself! Look at that! You see, yeah, you wanted every man for himself, so I give you every man for himself. You want every man for himself? I give you every man for himself. Oh, there you go, you did it.
Yeah, I want everyone for themselves.
Area 1 is laggy according to McKnight, yes. Danica's still here. How many players are you right now? No, it's just me and Cheer right now. Me and Cheer. Alright, we're gonna play again, McKnight. You wanna start again? You wanna start again? Let's start again so that McKnight can join actually. Sorry, I'm gonna quit it. I'm gonna hit it and quit it. Yes, so we're gonna go to Area 10. I ended the session on purpose. We're gonna start over so McKnight can join us. No, McKnight, stay there. Don't go coffee break. No coffee break for you.
Yeah. Hey,
I'm gonna set up.
anyone want to join? Come on.
I'm gonna set up the room right now. You wanna quit the game?
Join us.
Look, I'm gonna set up a room just for you, McKnight. We quit the game so that you can actually join us. Don't go for coffee now. Don't you dare. Alright. Let's try
Well, I
again.
can go for a coffee break by the time you make a game. He's ready.
I don't know what that means. Quesorete. What does quesorete means? I know what a something. Alright,
Yeah.
I'm gonna create the room right now. I'm gonna create the thing. List. I'm gonna go to 10 again. McKnight, try to keep up, okay?
20 players, 0.
Area 10. Free, the
Okay.
first one. And the room title is gonna be again. Ah! And the password's gonna be 1234. 1234. Okay, hold on. 1234. I went 2444. Normal, friendly fire off, finish. Let's go. It's pantless time. I'm ready. All right, the room is ready. The room is ready. So area 10. Area 10. The room is called and the password is 1234. I'm gonna have a sip of my scotch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1234. Don't confuse him.
Oh, no. I know, I'm just quoting Wesker. When he plays area 7, he's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for which part?
The puzzle and when you go to Lucas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The puzzle from Lucas. I can't recall
Yeah.
which puzzle.
There's that lock you have to, spell loser. I think.
Oh yeah, that one. Yes.
Yeah, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, McKnight, I'm going to scroll up for you, alright, in the chat. I'm going to scroll up, copy the link, and paste it again, alright? I'm gonna do that for you. Alright? And I'm saying that because you could have done that yourself. Alright, so, once you join the Discord... actually, you know what we can do? Cheer. We can end this session.
Yes?
We can end this Discord session, alright? So, and what you can do, you can go on my Discord and join the Outbreak server for the voice channel, okay? So I'll see you there.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see you there.
I'll see you there. There we go. Cheer, you there?
No.
Alright, you're not there. Oh man, what am I gonna do? Mechanite, I can see Mechanite is in the room as well. Is in the room, in the voice chat room. I see his username. Hopefully he can hear us. But he's not in the game room again. Dude, bruh, what you doing, man?
Well, hey, help me, please.
You're still not in the room, man. We created a new room just for you, and we're here, like yawning and waiting. I'm gonna have another sip.
Area 10.
Area 51.
That's one. No, Area 69.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Emily didn't make the joke and you did. Oh, man. Area Bork.
You know what you should do,
Yeah.
Vloggy? We should invite Barry.
Oh, Barry, yes. I should invite Barry, but the thing is, I told Barry he needs to familiarize himself with the Resident Evil games first, and I told him to play Resident Evil 1, 2, and 3, and he's like, fine, I will do that, because he will get used to tank controls, he will get used to the fixed camera perspectives, so I told him, play, Oh, come on, Mechanite, I gotta pee. Mechanite, seriously, where are you, dude?
Oh, yeah,
Seriously, you're
I
making
remember.
you're making Danica wait. Mechanite is like, go pee, girl. So what was I saying? I lost my train of
Oh
thought.
yeah, we're talking about Barry.
Oh yeah, I told him play Resident Evil 1, 2, and 3, and he finished 1. And
Yeah, I remember, I was there.
yes, and then he finished 2, but he finished 2 thanks to me because he wanted me to backseat him all the way.
I was there. He was playing RE2.
And then he finished the first scenario, and he's like, I want to finish the second scenario as well. Please backseat me again. I don't have time to sit there and stream in a stream for like 3 hours just backseating him. I have stuff, you know. And if I get a chance, I want to stream myself. You know what I mean? I don't want to sound selfish. I don't want to
Yeah,
sound
I know.
selfish. But for me to sit there 3 hours straight, just backseating him, I get tired.
Yeah.
I just watching the stream and backseating him, it's tiring for me. I mean, I would love to do it, but I just don't have the time. And if I do have the time, I would make a stream for myself, you know. So I told him, come on. I want to see you struggle. Okay, I think Mechanite is in, because I see 3 people now. So
Yeah. Yeah.
all right, he's in. All right, starting the game. We can skip all the cutscenes. It's fine. So
Yeah,
I told him play second scenario. I'll be in chat. I'll be lurking. I want to see you struggle. That's one of the things you enjoy when you watch a stream. You see a streamer struggle with a game that you're familiar with.
Yeah, just like you when you were playing Code Veronica.
Exactly. I still need to finish that game.
I was like, okay, now go get wrecked.
How many times did that hunter kill me? How many times? I tried a couple of
I
times.
think like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah. Anyway, so
No,
that's
I'm like, okay, now go get wrecked. And you got wrecked.
exactly. That's the point. You're familiar with a game, but you enjoy seeing others struggle, and you just sit there and you watch them struggle. And I don't do that.
Yeah.
I would love to see.
Yeah, but actually, to be honest, I never played Code Veronica.
Oh
before.
really? Oh wow.
Yeah, because you know I didn't have a PlayStation, so I didn't have PC, so you know,
Okay.
and they never released that game on PC.
They never did.
That's the problem. Yeah. Every game on Resident Evil is on PC, the main game, except for Veronica.
It's true. Yeah, it's true.
So I never get to play it.
That's a shame. It's a good game. It's one of the good games. It's hard. It's very hard. I think the hardest Resident Evil games are Code Veronica
Zero.
and Zero. Yes, I agree. I want to play Zero again. It's been a while. Huh? Look, I opened the door with... Cheer is missing out. Emily's like, oh my goodness. You're missing out.
Well, I know what the start of Code Veronica. I never played it.
Mechanite is behind. Mechanite, catch up. Mechanite, catch up.
Wait, the zombie didn't come out.
Because you didn't stay too close to the window, perhaps.
I was touching the window.
Okay, maybe
Thank
it's
you very
randomized then.
much.
Maybe sometimes you get the zombie, sometimes you don't. Why didn't you pick up the herb? Go get the herb.
You did.
No, there's another herb outside. Go get it.
I don't need it.
Okay. He barely made it in. He barely made it in. I was gonna barricade the door just the second the cutscene stopped me from doing it.
No!
Oh man.
Yeah, you know what's fun confusing?
Yeah?
When you push one barrel, the barrel,
Mm-hmm.
and the cutscene shows 2 barrels.
It's true, yeah, I noticed that, yeah.
Yeah, like, how so?
This should buy us some
Oh, yeah.
time. This will buy us some time.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stand there.
Oh, what? The zombie came through? How is that possible? Thank you, McKnight. Oh, you opened the door? That's fantastic. Go through, go through, go, 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 go. Look at us, look at us.
Oh, we did say every man for himself.
It's getting interesting, Toby. You gotta go. No problem. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Thank you so much, Toby.
See ya, Toby.
You take care of yourself, man. Take care.
Park me outside, how about that?
Cash me outside, how about that?
Oh, no, 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 no. Bark me outside.
Bark me outside, how about that?
Bark, bark.
Oh! I'm safe up here. It's every man for himself, so I'm just gonna look after myself. I'm gonna chill here.
Yeah, that feels like I'm playing on my own. Like, solo.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay out of your way, you know? To let you focus on playing the game. McKnight is also up here. Smell.
Exactly how it is when I'm playing alone. You know, when I'm playing single player.
What's up, McKnight? What's up, McKnight?
Help me! Help me!
What's up, McKnight?
Here.
Smell my ass.
Thank
Smell
you.
my ass.
Go! Go!
David!
There!
Yoko! David!
Kev
David! David!
Where are you, Cheer?
Kevin. Right.
What?
You didn't open the... Seriously? You didn't open the...
Yeah, I know.
Oh, come on, dude. Seriously?
What? I just came up here to heal.
Kevin.
Alright,
Kevin.
do you have the key?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
David.
I was hoping
David.
you had the key.
Kevin.
You didn't
David.
find the key.
David. David.
The
Kevin.
kid's already there.
Kevin.
Oh, seriously? Uh-oh, that's not good.
What? I've already put the key, but I just came to heal.
Can you perhaps hold off the zombies? Maybe I can do something else. Hold off the zombies. I'm gonna try to open the shutter.
Pointless.
Is it pointless? I don't think so.
Yeah, it's actually gonna open. It's gonna open. You know, move go there.
I don't think so. I think it opens, actually.
Yeah, actually, they open it. The zombies.
The zombies can open it, exactly. That's what I mean.
Yeah, actually, it does say it's open from the other side.
Can somebody hold off the zombies while I open the door? I'll try to open the door. The zombie's trying to go up the stairs. He's like, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Can you hold off the zombies, please? Where are you, boys?
I'm somewhere.
I can't open the door. I can't keep getting attacked by zombies. I have to. Oh my goodness. 3 zombies. One zombie. 2, 4 zombies. Seriously? Oh my goodness. Where are you guys? Oh, who opened the shutter? Who opened the shutter? Did I open the shutter?
Maybe.
No, come on. The shutter just opened. Ah, now I'm on the floor. Nice.
I was thinking.
Oh wow, I made it through. Wow. Who opened the shutter? Did I open the shutter? It just opened at one point. It randomly opened. What happened? Did you do something?
I don't know.
Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, McKnight, help me! I'm dead.
Well, I told you it's unlocked from the other side. So on the zombies can open it.
Listen.
Oh, man, I'm gonna die! Help me, please! Please help me! I don't know how the shutter opened. I don't know if you did something and you're just pulling my leg, but...
I haven't done anything.
Really?
I'm actually... Yeah.
That's weird. That's very strange.
I don't know. I think this is a normal.
Where are you boys? I'm on my own. Is this one hard? Weird. No. You dead? Mac Knight, you're dead? Mac Knight, you're dead? This is on normal, actually. It's not even on hard. I don't know how I made it this far. I'm on my own. I'm on my own. I don't know where's everyone. I don't know where Cheer is. I don't know what happened to Mac Knight. I hear somebody. I hear somebody banging on the gates. Somebody's attacking the fence. Wait!
What?
There's dead crows here. What's going on? Oh! How did you make it that far already?
What, you mean?
Yeah! I never saw you. I never saw you getting past me. I'm on my own. I'm still alive. Mac Knight, come on, do this!
Well, we did say every man for himself.
Wow, how did you make it that far already? I never saw you getting past me.
Leave the area in time. We cannot guarantee your safety.
What the heck, man? I think you know a trick. I think you know a trick and you're not telling me. I'm in danger, no herbs. Oh no, Mac Knight! Come on, Mac
Wait.
Knight!
Wait, what vlogging?
Well, we're all on our own. We're all on our own, Mac Knight.
Well, I did say this for Amy.
Alright, so, Cheer's on his own. I'm on my own. Cheer's way ahead. You're not gonna get rid of me, Cheer. I'm still gonna chase you.
That's right again.
Come on, climb! Climb! Climb up! Am I on danger too? Yes, I'm on danger too, huh? And I don't have herbs. Oops, I'm looking at my phone and I ended up walking to a wall. Come on, we got this. I got this. We don't have this together. I'm on my own. I hear zombies, I don't know where they are. My heart is beating.
Wait, can I close the door?
And I don't have ammo either. I am so dead. You can skip the cutscene.
I can skip it.
You can skip I can skip it. Maybe it's Mac Knight
Startled
holding
me.
us off. Mac, press
I'm
start!
surprised you're still alive. The whole city's a war zone.
Alright, that was Mac Knight.
Wait. I think
Yeah, too many zombies this time. Yeah, there are. There are, Mac Knight, yeah. It's a mess. I don't think I'm gonna make it either. I think this is as far as I'm gonna go.
Wait.
You should try playing this on very hard, Mac Knight. It's ridiculous. This is just normal. No, zombie, please! No, that's it. Rip. GG. I'm done.
Wait. So that means you won't die? You won't dead?
No. Help me, please! Yoko is weak. Yoko is weak. I don't understand why you went with Yoko, to be honest with you.
Hey, vlogging!
You will not get rid of me that easily. You will not get rid of me that easily.
Jesus.
Oh, I can see you getting bit by invisible zombies. That's so weird.
Actually, they seem to be faster than normal.
Yes, of course.
Thank you, Mr. Policeman.
There's one. Oh, wow, we made it this far. Wow. No any healing. No healing, kind of Chris. No,
They're getting
nothing.
closer.
Nothing. If you
We
save,
gotta go now.
I can't save you if you are in trouble. Yoko can take damage, and I think you are too useless for. You're too useless for guns too. All right, I cannot believe I made it this far. I'm on danger and no ammo. I don't believe this.
Oh no.
I'm back to being I'm fine. I just found a green herb, I combined it with my red herb, and I'm back to being fine again. I can't believe this.
Go! Thanks. David!
I'm on caution already. One bite, I'm on caution. Go after McKnight. Go after McKnight. Cheer. Go off the chair. Go off the chair.
No. That's not me.
Oh, look at you. You're on the floor. Oh, look at you. Are you gonna blame lag again now? Huh?
Oh, you're gonna be on the floor anytime soon.
I won't be on the floor. I'm still on fine. Look at me. La 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 la.
We'll see.
Oh, seriously? I'm on the floor. You're watching me from the kitchen. Oh, no. This is not good. Uh-oh, not good.
You're on
Not
the floor?
good. I'm on the floor. I'm on the dance floor. This is not good.
So, it seems like we cannot do anything if we're on our own.
Nah, I think we're done. I think we're doomed.
Yeah, we're close together, it seems, to win.
Looks like it. Looks like it. It's impossible to be every man for himself. I think it's impossible. Anyway, we're gonna determine who dies first. Whoever turns into a zombie. Oh, you died first. GG.
Yeah,
I won this round then. I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! I progressed even further than you. I progressed even further than you. I'm awesome. I am
Wait,
so awesome.
I'm actually a captain.
What?
Hey, listen.
Oh, yeah.
You should go now.
I've seen David falling on his knees and died. You died.
I'm not dead. Am I?
No. It's telling me you
Fuel
did.
tank. Leak
Oh,
the
wow,
gas
no. According to
and
this,
use it
I'm
to
still
burn
alive.
these bastards. Do
Oh,
it
it's showing me a
now.
captain. It's David. Falling on his knees. Wait, are you still there?
I'm still here, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm dead.
Alright, so I'm still alive, I'm still crawling, and now I'm dead. That's it, now I'm a zombie. Alright, GG. You wanna try again, you, me, McKnight, on hard? Sorry. Yeah, let's go on hard. Let's just...
Yeah, let's go on hard.
Let's
but,
go on hard
this time
and
together.
we work together.
Together.
McKnight, what do you
Yeah.
think? One last round, because I need to go out. I'm gonna go out. Let's go out.
Yeah, let's go.
You, me, and McKnight, and on hard, not very hard. Let's not be too... Let's just go
Yeah,
on hard.
Yeah.
And
Let's go on hard together.
yes, and we work together. We need to have each other's back, otherwise we're not gonna do it. Okay, I will select other survivor. Yes, McKnight. Yes, please. Alright, I'm gonna create another room in the same area, alright? Area 10.
Okay, every 10.
And we'll take it from there.
Yeah, okay, this time I can help you. Because I know some stuff.
Let's see. So, exit. So, room list.
So, everyone in chat, what do you think?
Do you think
Who's
we're
the
gonna
best?
make it? Do you think we're gonna
Who's the
make it? We suck. We suck bad. Okay, because I'm lazy, I'm going to create the room and I'm gonna call it at the same password.
So, do you think we're gonna win or lose?
We're gonna lose. I think we're gonna lose. On hard. Let's
No.
not go for very hard, just hard. Finish.
Yeah, no, we're gonna win.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Alright.
All
room,
right,
the
you
room
got
is
me.
open. The room is open. The room is open.
Okay, what's the password?
A.
Covered. Well, you know, for a noob like me, we're I'm not really that bad.
Alright, so three. Oh, three of them are in. Let's go. Let's go. Go, 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 go.
Thanks, Doug. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. Okay, I know where the key is. But we cannot take it now.
You can't do it. Duck thinks we can't do it. You can't do it now. Alright, let's go. We're gonna do this. I have a feeling that we're gonna do this. I wish we had unlimited ammo in this game. I wish we had unlimited ammo. And we can go on very hard. And, you know, not worry about ammo.
Oh yeah.
Just to make it interesting. I mean, that's me. Alright, let's go. Skipping the cutscenes, alright? Just skipping everything. Let's go. Look at me wearing the cowboy hat.
Okay, so do you want to take a key or break the door?
I got the key already and it's open.
Really?
Of course. Let's go.
Wait,
Let's go. Let's go. Teamwork, guys. Teamwork. The door is open. Come follow me.
Wait, we're playing on hard?
Yes, we're on hard right now.
Where do you find the key?
On the counter. It was just on the counter as always, like in easy mode. I don't know why, but the key was there.
That's strange.
Yeah.
Because when I played it on hard the last time, it was with the bartender.
Well, it's amazing how smoothly the game is running. What do you think, McKnight? You're watching the stream, are you?
But the last time I played it on hard, the key was with the bartender.
Seriously?
Yeah, and I had to wait till he dies so I can get the key.
Oh wow, so he has to die first? Oh wow.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, if you need herbage, let me know, alright? If you need herbage, you start kicking the door down. Or if you have the key, I don't know.
No, we'll get the key.
I'm gonna barricade the door right away.
Yeah, I don't think it's, you know, on hard.
Ah, okay, McKnight is not watching the stream now. Okay.
So, who's playing with us? Who's playing right now with us?
McKnight. Nah, McKnight
Yeah,
is playing, but he's not watching the stream. I was just wondering if what the quality of the stream was like if there's any lag. Do you guys see
yeah.
teleporting? Do you guys see people teleporting or not?
Yeah, I'm not actually watching this stream. I have the chat on the side.
No!
Come on, we need to do this. We need to do this. I am so...
Yeah. Yeah, but
Ah, a zombie came through. It's amazing. Alright, let's go. I still haven't equipped my gun yet. It's amazing. I made it this far and I still haven't equipped this gun. You see teamwork? How cool? Okay, I don't know. Maybe I can start hitting the shutter if you give me a sec. I start punching the shutter. Maybe we'll open the shutter if we don't find the key.
No. I know where the key is, but not sure if it's still there.
Is it in the wine room?
No. It's actually downstairs.
Downstairs where? Uh-oh.
In the owner's room.
You're gonna go back for it?
Yeah, you know in the owner's room there's a puzzle?
Yeah?
Yeah. That's where you get the key.
Oh,
For the shutter.
So how are you gonna go get it?
You need an alcohol bottle.
Oh,
You
okay.
need to take an alcohol bottle.
Oh, wow.
And then go down.
That sounds like a Resident Evil game, doesn't it?
Yeah, take an alcohol bottle, you go downstairs, you press it on the wall, and you get the key. But that was when I was playing solo, that's how it works.
Oh.
Hey, Black Ghost! How you
Black
doing?
Ghost! What up, yo? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna keep... Somebody just subscribed. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm not looking at chat right now. I'm not looking at...
Wait for me upstairs, okay?
I'll try.
Go get the candy side. So when Buggy,
Yeah?
on this part, this thing probably, we won't get any zombies later.
Really?
Yeah, the part with the police cars.
We get the crimson things, the chimeras.
We'll get the bugs.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good. Alright, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. I don't think the shutter is gonna open.
No, I got the key, Leon.
Let's get up here. Let's get up here. McKnight, follow me up here. He's got the key.
Yeah, go upstairs. Go up.
How are you, Black Ghost?
Help me, please! Help!
Please help! Thanks.
Leave me alone!
David!
I don't love you anymore!
David!
I'm curious to see who subscribed. I'm gonna check
Come
so
on.
I can shout
Thank
you
you
out, whoever
very
subscribed.
much.
Hold on.
Hurry up.
I'm gonna
Kevin!
shout you out.
Kevin!
Ah, Black Ghost.
Welcome, Lord.
Thank you for
Kevin!
subscribing, Black Ghost.
Kevin!
I appreciate that.
Kevin! David!
Help me! Please! David! David! Alyssa! David! Alyssa!
Yeah.
Help!
Okay, this part's
Thank
gonna
you.
be tough.
David! Help me!
You're in
Kevin!
the
We're
room,
gonna
yeah?
have
Kevin.
bugs, a lot of bugs.
Kevin!
Yes, get
Kevin.
ready, McKnight. We're gonna
Kevin.
deal with lots of... They're like the chimeras from Resident Evil 1 Remake and the ones in Resident Evil 3 as well, eh?
Oh no, they're worse.
They're worse.
They actually poison you.
Oh wow, now they poison you. I didn't know that. Alright, let's
Yeah,
go.
that's why. We're gonna need to collect all the blue herbs we can get.
Okay, I think there's a blue herb behind the forklift. Check behind the forklift. I think there's one over there. I'm not so sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna go and check.
If there's a zombie, if you need help, I can come down. I have four rounds.
No, I haven't shot my gun at all.
Do you need help?
I think I have like a... I can just run by them. Yeah, I've been watching Western for a long time, but I actually can... No, there's no evidence here.
Yes, Gideon, I am the cowboy. He reminds me of Wolverine. I don't know why. He reminds me of Wolverine. The style, the clothes. He reminds me of Wolverine from X-Men Evolution. I don't know why.
Okay, there's no blue herb. I think
No?
Mac got it.
Maybe he did. I don't know. But he says he has a blue herb and a green herb. I don't know.
Yeah, there is one. There is one downstairs. When we got out, get out of the elevator.
Okay. Yes, that's right. Let's go.
There's a blue herb and there's a green herb.
The zombies are through. You okay, Cheer? Are you behind?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm at the stairs right now.
I don't see you.
Yeah, I'm at the stairs.
Oh, there you are. Hurry up. There's zombies right down there.
Yeah, I see them.
You're good at this game. You're better than I thought.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Well, I did say, well, I've been playing on hard drawing board.
We should do it next time. We team up like Team True and Vloggy and Team Amy and Cheer. Or I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, next time we should serve teams. Like Team Amy and Bosco.
Amy and
Team Amy, Bosco and Cheer. Versus Vloggy and True.
Alright, we need to be careful. There's zombies here and there's stuff here I think that we can grab. I don't know. Does anybody have the key for this thing?
No, I didn't grab it.
Go away.
But it's in the same area.
Let's go, go.
Step aside.
I'm going first. This is the police speaking. This club is closed.
I don't know if I have any.
Attention everyone. Due to the riots in progress, this area will be closed off.
We can skip the cutscene, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Jump!
Help me, please! Help!
Alright, I made it. Who's next?
Next. Oh, I'm not next.
Does anybody need a hand getting up? Come on, guys, hurry up.
Go, Matt, go!
There's crows attacking me.
Go!
Over there! Did you find anything new? Kevin!
Help me, please!
Go, Cheer. Do it now. Okay. We got this.
Look at this.
Go.
Welcome back, Toby.
Toby's back? Yes, he's back! Bork! Alright, we're good. We're good. We're doing better than we did earlier on normal, I think.
Oh yeah.
You see,
Oh, my present.
teamwork makes a difference. Now we're playing on a harder mode and we're doing better. Let's go. Elevator, guys. Elevator. Let's go. Elevator, guys. Elevator.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yes, but nice playing with a zombie. Come on.
Yeah, there's a blue herb and a green over here.
Yes, I'm gonna pick that up. I need it. I'm gonna need it. But if anybody's not poisoned, obviously. There's a green one if you want to take it. Pick up the green up. Now.
Yeah, I'm taking it.
Okay, I'm gonna speak to the cop and then start pushing the cars. Okay. Oh no! There's the insects now.
Yeah.
Oh
This
my
is part of the
goodness.
insect.
Oh my goodness. There's a cutscene especially for the insects now. Yeah.
No. It's a normal cutscene. Come on, McKnight.
Okay, we need to step up our teamwork as much as we can now.
Yeah,
Surprised
we
you're
need to
still
work fast.
alive. The whole city's a war zone.
Because the bugs are only
We
in
need
this
all the
part.
help we can get.
No, the bugs are
Move the police
even
car
after.
over there to build a barricade.
Yeah, no,
Go!
until we get to the sewers.
Exactly. Yes, that's right. Yeah, we're gonna have to deal with them even in the when he's shooting the lock pad. Yeah, that's gonna be a mess. All right, so I'm gonna start pushing
and you know the part where we have to blow up the.
There's no bugs. What? There's no bugs here.
Really?
No. Are we sure this is on Norman? On hard?
I don't know. You're the one made the game.
Okay, now I'm starting to doubt.
Yeah, I'm just wondering about it. I mean, you're the one who made the game.
I'm pretty sure I set up hard. I'm pretty sure I set it up as hard. Look, we're outside Jay's bar. I just realized. Look at this. We're outside Jay's bar now. Look at this. The main door, the main entrance of Jay's bar. Look at this. I can't go inside because of the barricade. Oh, come on, zombie. What is this? Why is there no insect? I don't get it.
I don't know.
How can we tell we're playing this on hard? There's no way to tell. Look at me holding you.
Step aside.
I don't get it. I really don't get it.
Yeah, there should be like bugs. Oh,
Oh wow, you're on the ground.
no. I'm just Come on, this man. Oh yeah. Done. Hold on.
Wow. Okay, Mac Knight, go pick up chair. I'll just push the car. Go pick up chair. There we go. And I'm just pushing the car.
Yeah.
Alright, good. GG. I'll slap your ass, chair, if you died.
Oh god,
Hey.
they're getting closer.
I'm not gonna
We
die
gotta
that.
go now.
Oh man.
Hey, I have faith in my teammates. Except for Vloggy, I don't trust Vloggy.
You don't trust Vloggy?
Yes.
I'm on
I
danger. I'm on danger, and I think even David's on danger. Go give it to cheer. Mac Knight, give the herb to cheer. It's fine.
This
Oh,
is
okay,
it.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Thank you. I need to eat the herb. Come on, give me the herb. Yes, I'm back to being normal. Thank you. I'm back to fine. Use the herb, cheer. I'm still picking up an herb. Use it. Use it now. Use it now. Do it now. I don't think I'm playing this one. No, I'm starting to doubt. I think I might have chosen. I don't know. Seriously, did I make a boo-boo?
Come on! Come on, Mr. Policeman! Where's Vloggy?
I'm falling behind and I'm on danger right now. Well, I'm leaving actually.
Yeah, I think it's still lagging. I'm not sure.
I'm not experiencing that personally. I don't know. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm on the ground. I'm down. Man down. Alright, I'm back up, but I'm not in danger.
Yeah, I'm coming for you, Vloggy. I'm coming.
Man down. I'm on the ground. Man down. Help me, please.
Help me, please!
You're on the floor as well.
Yeah, I'm Vloggy.
I'm coming. Save yourself. Come on, Mac Knight. Where's Mac Knight?
He's over there.
Is he on the front? Is he on the ground as well? He's on danger as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, he's on the floor.
Okay, we're not gonna make this. Oh, you died. You zombified. You did.
Yeah, I'm gonna can I kill the policeman?
Where's Mac Knight? Oh, there's Mac Knight. Mac Knight's still standing. Okay, not anymore. Actually, Mac Knight's still standing.
This fucking breath is over.
No, I'm a zombie. Bruh. Oh wow, Mac Knight made it farther than me.
Oh yeah, I'm dead.
Look at this. I'm getting a cutscene. My zombie
yeah.
walking around like. Whoa.
You dead.
Yeah, GG.
Well, that's it. Is it really on hard? Is it really on hard?
Does it say on hard? Oh, it says hard. Yes, it is on hard.
So where's the bugs?
Maybe it's on very hard.
No. I didn't have very hard.
How strange.
I didn't unlock very hard.
Maybe it's randomized. I don't know.
I don't know. I played it like 3 times on hard.
That's
Still bugs for me.
Yeah, I've seen the bugs before as well, so I know what you're talking about because I don't know. Maybe it's randomized. I don't know because I've experienced bugs as well, but I thought maybe it was on very hard. I don't know. It's so strange, very strange. All right, I'm gonna have to call it. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours exactly. Wow. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna change my pants. I'm not gonna change my pants. I'm gonna put on pants. And I'm gonna go out, I think. Thank you so much for playing with me, Cheer. Thank you so much for playing with me, MacKnight. It was awesome.
Thank you, Vloggy and MacKnight, for the awesome game.
Thank you everyone for hanging out with me
Thank
in
you
chat.
everyone for.
Thank you everyone for hanging out with us in chat. You guys make it awesome.
wow.
And thank you Danica for the €30 donation, and thank you Saranya for the €10 donation. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. I'm gonna stream tomorrow for sure. I'm gonna stream something. We'll see what I'll stream. Take care, guys. Bye. Have a great time. See ya. Ciao.